So this video is about how to solve a system of linear equations if you don't have it set up nicely where you can eliminate one variable immediately. The first thing you'll have to do is see if you can multiply the equations and find a common coefficient that will make your letters disappear. So I could do two things. I could multiply both equations to try to get my x's to cancel out. It would be by 4 and 3, and one of them would have to be negative. That's extra steps that I don't want to do right now, today. So what I'm going to do is try to get rid of the y's. So right here is negative 5y and negative 20y. Right now, if I add those up, it'll be negative 25y, and that doesn't cancel out at all. I want one of these y's to be the opposite as the other one, and the same coefficient number. So I'm going to try to get this negative 5y to be positive 20y. So I need to multiply this top equation times negative 4. I'm doing the entire equation, so make sure that you're using this distributive property and that you get this negative 4 times all three elements, or all three values in that equation. So negative 4 times 3x is negative 12x, and negative 4 times negative 5y is positive 20y, or plus 20y, and negative 4 times negative 21 is positive 84. So now my new system of equations, I'm going to use these two equations and kind of ignore my first one for now. So 4x minus 12x is negative 8x, and negative 20y plus 20y, those cancel out, or they're 0y, so I'm going to ignore them. And then negative 148 plus 84 is negative 64. So then using my equation solving steps, I will divide both sides by negative 8. So I want to get the x by itself. So then positive x equals positive 8. So now that I have what x equals, I can put x back into one of my original equations and solve for y. Now I'm going to do the first original equation just because it's a smaller negative. Negative 21 is smaller than negative, or easier to work with. The negative 148, I'm always trying to make it easiest to work with. So x equals 8, so I'm going to use that first equation and replace x with 8. And I write the rest of the equation in. So that's 24 minus 5y equals negative 21. I always show all my steps so I don't lose any negatives, I don't lose any numbers. So now, using your equation solving skills, minus 24 from both sides. Let's see, negative 5y is equal to negative 45. So I need to get y by itself, so I'm going to divide by negative 5. Y is equal to positive 9. So then my final answer, I have x and y. I'm going to put them in an ordered pair. This is where both equations would cross on a graph. So I have 8, 9 as my final answer. If you want to check it, you can put 8 in for x and 9 in for y for both systems, and they should both be true. So I hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Please come back and watch again if you need to take more notes.